What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm going to show you an awesome Cydia tweak that you should download. This tweak will bring the Apple Watch home screen experience to your iPhone. This tweak includes 2 different icon shape styles and 3 different background blur style. Each icon automatically animates as you scroll to resemble the Great View style app launcher on Apple Watch. As you see, the tweak can be configured to work in several different ways and lets you experience what you love about your Apple Watch right on your iPhone or iPad. Now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add my source. After adding my source, open it, go to tweak section and search for Honey Tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. This version has been fixed to work on iOS 11 up to iOS 14. This tweak comes with plenty of customization options, including the ability to set background blur, hide the native iPhone dock, change the layout for the home screen grid, and more. Now just go ahead and install it. Click Modify, Install, Confirm. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. If you have any problem while downloading this tweak, then make sure to disable cdown tweak if you have installed it. Just disable cdown, then install this tweak, and after that, you can re-enable cdown tweak. After installing the tweak, go to the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. As you see, this is the tweak. When you open the tweak preferences for the first time, just wait a few seconds and the tweak will be activated automatically. Alright, it has been activated. The first thing you will do is enable the tweak from here. In general settings, you can enable haptic feedback, hide the dock, and hide notification badges. In home screen settings, you can change the style to no blur, light, dark, or vibrant style. In layout settings, you can change the home screen layout. You can use square, full screen, or expanded layout. If you select square option, the icons will be in a square like this in the middle of the home screen. If you select full screen, the icons will take the full screen as you see on my device right now. If you select expanded, the icons will take up almost the full screen. Okay, I will choose square. After making any changes, press spring to save the changes. As you see, if you select square option, the icons will be in a square like this. The animation is really amazing. Okay, I will change the square to expanded. Here you can change the icon size and the shape of the icons, square or circular. Okay, I will change the icon size to 90. Now just press spring to apply the changes. Okay, as you see, if you select the expanded mode, the icons will take up almost the full screen. This tweak is really amazing tweak and I recommend you to give it a try. You can download it for free from my source. You will find the source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.